Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to create Eharmony account. Eharmony is an online dating site for singles. It is the first service within the online dating industry to use a scientific approach to matching highly compatible singles. Its matching is based on using its 32 dimensions model to match couples based on features of compatibility found in thousands of successful relationships. To sign up for Eharmony, make sure you've downloaded the app, or you can even go to your web browser and search for www.eharmony.com. Once you've downloaded the app on your device, tap open the application. In order to sign up, tap on Join Now. If you already have an account, tap on Login and enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Since we're signing up, tap on Join Now, choose your gender, and tap on the next button at the bottom right. Select your address and tap on the next button again. Now choose whether you'd like to sign up with your email or continue with Facebook. Tap on anyone you feel comfortable with and enter your email on the next page. Enter a password on the next field. Once you're done, tap on Sign Up. Now you'll need to go through the compatibility quiz. In order to do that, tap on the Continue button and complete the quiz by going through the information first. Answer all the questions that has been asked to you by simply tapping on them. Tap on the Continue button and answer more questions that has been asked to you. After answering all the questions, enter your first name on the next page and then your last name. Select your birthday information from the drop-down and enter your occupation. Type in your height. From the next drop-down, select your marital status and your education level, your annual income, and answer if you have children or not. Select your country, enter your postcode, choose your religion, choose your ethnicity, and answer how you found out about Eharmony, and tap on the box if you want emails about the products and services and promotion from Eharmony, and tap on the Continue button. On the next page, choose a question that you'd like to answer and answer your question, whatever it is. Choose another question and you can describe about yourself or whatever you're looking in a relationship about your ideal partner, and tap on the Continue button. Now, select a photo that you'd like to use as your profile photo. You can take a picture with your camera or choose a picture from your album. You can also upload the picture later on in your free time if you want. Simply tap on Upload Later and there you go. These are the matches that Eharmony has made for you according to your quiz answers. That is how you can sign up for Eharmony. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.